These are some heavy hitting questions that could get me in trouble. Any big city, you know, it's too much for me. I like to be a big fish in a small pond, you know? Berlin is super fun to skate. Barcelona, some epic days just train hopping around and hitting spots around Europe. Best bone to break is probably a wrist or a finger. Don't break a toe, that actually is a f***ing nightmare. God damn it. I don't even know really a song from either one of those. Pearl Jam, I guess, because the guy's got the bowl. I'm on Team Tonya for sure. It's just music from the heart, you know? Music played from your heart.